Congrats Shiva for your success.
Thanks.
What's your education?
I've done my BTech in the branch of Computer Science Engineering.
Oh.
Passed out in year 2017.
Okay, you are from which college?
Guru Nanak.
Guru Nanak Engineering College. Okay. How is your journey with the BRN?
It's wonderful. What I expected, I got the same thing.
Okay.
Before completing the course itself.
Okay. Have you ever expected that you are going to get a job before the course completes?
No, I never expected that. I thought after the course I need to struggle 1 hour, 1.5 months.
Okay.
But I got before 1 month.
Okay. So what is the major changes that you have observed first day of Shiva until today?
Because initially I have a theoretical knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, after getting into BRN, I got a practical knowledge.
Okay.
How the whole work goes on.
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
So previously I used to study and I used to left.
Okay.
But here the process is to learn and to implement that.
Okay.
I need to after getting into this, I'll started spending time on coding and everything.
Okay.
So that that may be the reason I got a job.
Okay. See, you are a 2017 passed out, right? What were you doing all these, years till today? What were you doing all this?
Initially I've done a course like on Java.
Okay.
From Amitbit.
Okay.
I didn't get the job.
Okay.
Maybe due to the implementation problems.
Okay.
Then after getting into BRN, I have rectified my all mistakes and
Okay.
guidance I got from the BRN.
Okay.
Just
So,
one thing.
what kind of difference that you have been observed from normal training to BRN training?
Normal training will get a theoretical knowledge.
Okay.
We don't implement those examples and everything.
Okay.
Here the whole process is to learn and implement those topics and everything.
Okay.
So that we'll get a practical knowledge
Okay.
on that.
Okay. Before joining, did you expect that you are going to get a job before the course completes? Because already you had a bad experience.
No.
Did you expect this success?
I didn't expect this. I thought I need to wait for 1 more month
Okay.
after completing.
Okay.
It's
Okay. See, you joined along with your childhood friend, so you both got jobs before the course complete. So how do you feel now?
I'm very happy because he got the job. With the very next day, I got the job.
Okay.
It's the main thing, a wonderful thing.
Okay. Before joining BRN, definitely there will be a doubt whether you will get a job or not. How did you trust BRN?
After I've listened to demos.
Okay.
The demos, and there I have attended two practical sessions also.
Okay.
That gave me a confidence that okay, I can do what I am learning and here implementing those examples and topics.
Okay.
So that definitely I'm going to get a job.
Okay. Before joining BRN, have you seen any videos in YouTube?
Yes, I've seen success stories.
Okay.
But it's all depends on the individuals also.
Okay.
How they implement those.
Okay.
They'll put BRN will put their 100% to get the job, but it also depends on individuals how they
Okay.
receive the guidance and
Okay.
how they put.
So you have seen a lot of success videos. Now your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
Wonderful! It's a wonderful thing for me.
Okay. So there will be a lot of people still struggling to build a successful career. What do you suggest to the people about BRN?
BRN, if you want to really want to get the job and work hard, definitely I support to join a BRN. After getting the BRN, you need to work hard. You'll get a guidance for that. You need to implement those topics and guidance. So then only you'll get a job.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best to you and your childhood friend for your bright success.
Thank you.